How to add overlay in CapCut Desktop. So if you want to add overlay in your CapCut Desktop, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your CapCut application. So I'm here with my application and then go with create project, or you can choose an existing project. So I'll be choosing a new one. Once you choose your project, now you can go with import, and from here you can choose videos or images. You can simply choose 2 or 3, or you can choose more if you want to. And once you've chosen, now what you need to do is you can simply drag these two to the bottom, or you can simply click on the plus icon and it will be here on the timeline. So once you've added those, now you can adjust your videos. Once you've adjusted, now what you need to do is you just need to simply drag and drop that to the bottom or to the upper side of your screen or the timeline. And once you've adjusted, now what you need to do is click on the first video and then go to the right side. And under right side here, you will have an option of blend. Click on blend and then go with the mode. Under mode, you need to choose overlay. Once you choose overlay, now here you can simply adjust the opacity. And once you've added the overlay, you can simply go with the scale option and then you can adjust the scale. So you just need to simply go with the default option and then adjust the scale. Once you've adjusted, you can simply add that to your video. So that's how you can add an overlay video or overlay in your CapCut desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.